Khan's Maths 5 Plus, page 39. Dear students, let's have some activity time. Write M for more than, L for less than, or E for equal. 16 is more than 12. 27 is equal to 27. 13 is less than 31. 38 is less than 48. 36 is more than 24. 47 is more than 39. 45 is less than 50. 41 is more than 14. 19 is less than 25. 33 is more than 23. 17 is equal to 17. 24 is more than 22. Respectable teachers and parents explain the concept of equal, more than, and less than to the children, giving examples from the children's immediate surroundings. Tell them that equal means equal in number. Tell them that more than means one of the two objects or sets of objects is greater in number. Tell them that lesser than means one of the two objects or sets of objects is smaller or lesser in number. Use concrete objects to make the children which one is equal, more than, or lesser than the other. Appreciate the children for their active participation in today's activity and clap for the most receptive-minded children. Thank you.